Your patio forecast, if you're heading on out this evening, local restaurant or just hitting your backyard, we look good. I mean, we've got some clouds around. There's a little bit of drizzle and light rain out towards the east, but most of us are dry, and that goes through all the way through the 11 o'clock hour. Temperatures are on the chilly side. Look at the 60s outside right now, and it's not even up for 60s. We're talking low to mid 60s all the way down to tropical Dover. How about that? That wind continues off the lake. It's been gusty at times. We've seen gusts over 20. Most of us holding in the 5 to 15 mile per hour range, but it's making it a little chilly outside. Sweater weather, as they call it. Lake effect clouds and showers. These are all lake effect clouds, but notice the showers that we have. Thank goodness it's not snow, right? We're dealing with the little band of showers that developed out towards Ashtabula County. It's progressing its way west. So if you're in the greater Cleveland area, you're going to get some rain here soon, getting into the Bainbridge area, Chagrin Falls, eventually get over to Pepper Pike here shortly. It's just that it's all the little raindrops. You know that kind of rain where you can't find the right wiper setting? That's what we're dealing with. Shouldn't last much longer. Here's your good news, Lena and Christy. Off your phones. Look at the clear skies. Look at this, clear skies. Southern lake areas of Lake Huron now. That clearing is going to move through northeast Ohio tonight. So the later you're up, the better, but you will be able to see that super blue moon tonight. And you notice down to the south, that frontal boundary went by and provided this cooler air. It is keeping Idalia at bay. So this thing would normally be coming off towards the north, but it's down towards the south now, not dealing with that. So latest, it is a tropical storm now. It has been a hurricane over the course of landfall here until it headed into areas of eastern Georgia. It's about to cross that South Carolina line right now. Lots of heavy rain. That's the big issue. There still is some storm surge with the way it's rotating. We're bringing some of that Atlantic Ocean moisture inland, so they are dealing with some storm surge, not nearly what they had across California. But when hurricanes hit land, they lose their fuel. That is warm ocean water. Problem is, it's going to head back out over the ocean again. Latest on Idalia, now a tropical storm with winds at 70, moving northeast at 21. That is really fast for a tropical system. It's getting caught up in the jet stream now. That doesn't bode well for redevelopment, but it is going to head out to land or out to sea over the next 24 hours, and then eventually we'll see what happens. It's going to kind of meander around and become a fish and boating storm as you get out towards the Atlantic. For us here at home, we deal with the lake effect clouds. Here's 11:30. Clouds are breaking up. Still will be some lake effect clouds around. Grab a jacket, as I mentioned. We're in the 50s with that breeze continuing tonight. Clear skies expected to start your day tomorrow. A beautiful day. We're up into the 70s. Lots of sunshine. Still a nice breeze out of the northeast. Just a delightful weather pattern that we're getting into. So what's going to change, right? We can never have nice things for long. Well, that heat's going to build back, and it's not going to be terribly hot as we get into your Friday. But by Saturday, Sunday, we start to build this bridge. And look at the latest modeling develops this ridge right over us, meaning the core of warmth with this one would be right over the Ohio Valley. This is your Labor Day. And then it backs down a little bit, but all indication is this ridge continues for much of the early half of September. And that would keep us on the warmer side of things. About time summer shows up, right? We've had 190 degrees so far this year, and it looks like our second will be around Labor Day. And then your Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast shows that perhaps our third and fourth is beyond that. So we do get warm next week. Notice the sunshine, though. Is this San Diego? It certainly looks like it. Just a couple clouds around here late Saturday, a couple more on Tuesday and Wednesday. But overall, gorgeous. We need the drying out. We're waterlogged right now, but perfect timing for Labor Day weekend.
Ooh, and then it's going to get hot.
Yeah.
I have nothing to say.
Christy loves today. She just loves today's weather.
I do. I love
She
80s.
swears is not.
I love 80s.
Yeah.
You hit 90, it's like, oh.
Yeah, I agree.
All right. That's all right. You know what? We'll be missing it when it's -3.
Right. We could be a month and a half away from that stuff. So,
Don't.
Yeah, I'm just saying, enjoy it.
Thank you, Matt.